If I had to start over, if I had to start from zero today, no money, no credit, nothing, these are the first 5 things that I would do to get me right back to where I am today.
Millionaire, we here now. Used to dream broke, but it's clear now. No handouts, had to gear down. Now what they fear now. No money, millionaire, we here now. Got scars, but I wear that crown. Turn pain to a real account. No money, no excuses, no limits.
No money millionaire. If I had to start over, if I had to start from zero today, no money, no credit, nothing, these are the first 5 things that I would do to get me right back to where I am today. Step number 1. The first thing I would do is I'd start joining real estate groups. I'd get on Facebook, Bigger Pockets, local REIAs, real estate investor associations. I would get out there and I'd start meeting people. I'd introduce myself. I'd be commenting on people's posts, because in those groups, you're going to meet wholesalers. You're going to meet people who have off-market deals. You're going to find properties that aren't available elsewhere. So get out there, start becoming part of the group. Make sure you comment. Make sure you post on there. Introduce yourself. But that would be the first step. The first step would be join local groups. Get out there, meet everybody, introduce yourself. So before we continue, hit the like button, subscribe. And for those of you who stay to the end, I'm going to give away the same resource that I built for myself when I started from nothing. And that's this book, The No Money Millionaire, How to Build Wealth Without Using a Dime of Your Own Money. And I'll tell you how to get this book for free at the end of the video. Okay, step number 2. I'd build a 1-page little bio, little credibility kit that's going to say who you are, what you're looking for, how to contact you, and a short bio about yourself. So you put together this 1 page so that you can give it to people you're meeting. And people are going to take you way more professionally when you come like that, opposed to just having a business card or just introducing yourself. So take the time and put together a 1-page little bio, little credibility sheet, and have on there who you are, what you're looking for, how to contact you, and a short little bio about yourself. And when you're meeting people and you share that with them, they're instantly going to take you more seriously. You're not just a beginner anymore. You're more like a brand. So step number 2, put together a little 1-page, little credibility kit, who you are, what you're looking for, how to contact you, and a short little bio. So that's the second step. Now, step number 3, you got to start reaching out to lenders. I'd get on the phone. I'd meet hard money lenders, lenders doing DSCR loans. A DSCR loan is a debt service coverage ratio loan. Those loans are usually based off of the income coming from the property. So for multifamilies, for apartments, they're going to look at what income's coming off that property, and that's what they're going to use to support getting the loan. So reach out to hard money lenders, reach out to DSCR lenders, introduce yourself, ask them, what's it going to take for them to work with you? I would go right to one and say, what's it going to take? I bring you a deal. What do you need to be able to fund this deal for me? And they'll tell you. That's their job. Their job is to give money. So make the contact. Reach out to hard money lenders, DSCR lenders. Ask them, what will it take for you to fund my deals? Ask what they look for in borrowers, what terms they offer, and how they evaluate the deals. You're not begging for funding. You're building relationships before you need them. When you finally have a deal, you already know exactly what they're looking for, how to package it to present it to them. Step number 4. The 4th step that I'd do is I'd start looking for creative deals. Now, when you join those local groups, you're going to find wholesalers on there. You're going to find people with off-market deals. So you need to find those. You want to reach out, look on Craigslist, look at Crexy, start going to Facebook Marketplace. I even use Google. I'll Google seller finance, owner will carry. I'll Google that and just try to find something near me. I've personally found deals on Craigslist. Just recently, I got somebody a deal from Craigslist. So Craigslist is great. Crexy, Facebook Marketplace, Google. But also when you're from step 1, when you're introducing yourself and you're meeting people, well, meet a realtor, meet a couple realtors. Ask them if they have expired listings. Expired listings are someone who was trying to sell their home and it never sold. So for whatever reason they wanted to sell it, maybe they needed to sell it. And if you can go back to them, maybe you can do a creative finance deal. Maybe they'll be open to a seller finance. So step number 4 is look for creative deals. And that's through Craigslist, Crexy, Facebook Marketplace, Google, expired listings, your local real estate groups, wholesalers, off-market deals. Tell everyone that you're meeting what exactly you're looking for. That goes back to your one sheet, your credibility kit. Have on there what it is you're looking for. Most investors, they don't get their deals because nobody knows what they want. So make sure when you're meeting people that you're clear in expressing, this is what I'm looking for. I like fix and flips, value add. Step number 5, look for capital partners, private money. So the last step, I'd start getting myself into the right rooms. Chamber of Commerce, investor meetups, business mixers. You want to get yourself around other business people. You're looking for people who have money, but no time. One of my early partners I joined with, they told me they always wanted to be in the real estate business. They just didn't want to be in the real estate business. So I always wanted to be in the real estate business. I didn't have the capital. So it was when we met, it was perfect. They have their other business that they're running. They don't have time to be managing properties, renovating properties. They just want to invest in it. And that's what you got to look for. So you're looking for people who have capital, but no time. And talk about what you do. Show your credibility kit and speak with confidence. When you look and sound like a professional, people start asking how they can work with you. You don't need 100 investors. You just need one good partner to change everything. So let's recap. Step number 1, join groups, real estate investor associations. Get out there, start getting active, introducing yourself. Step number 2, put your one-page credibility kit together, telling everyone who you are. This is how you can reach me. This is what I'm looking for. Put your little one sheet together. Step number 3, start reaching out and contacting lenders. Look for hard money lenders. Look for DSCR lenders. Make connections. Ask them what they need to fund your deals. Number 4, start looking for creative deals. Get on Craigslist. Look at Crexy. Look at Facebook Marketplace, Google. In your real estate groups, talk to wholesalers, people with off-market deals, realtors with expired listings. Get out there. Start looking for the creative deals. And then lastly, 5, start getting where the money is. Start interacting with people at business mixers, Chamber of Commerce. You're looking for people with capital, but no time. So those are the 5 steps that I would do today. If I started from nothing and I had to rebuild from zero, I would do exactly those 5 steps. No money, no excuses, just action. So I want to thank you. If you've made it this far, you've made it through the 5 steps, how to get yourself started. So please, if you like the video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I'm almost there. So now, for those of you who made it this far, I want to tell you, my book, The No Money Millionaire, How to Buy Property Without Using a Dime of Your Own Money. You can get this book for free right now at my website, nomoneymillionaire.com. It won't cost you a dime. For a limited time, I have it as a free download. It's a step-by-step breakdown of everything we just talked about. Everything that I've used to do the deals that I do today. And I'm still using it. So you can go to nomoneymillionaire.com. You can download the book for free. I want to thank you again for making this long, watching the full video. No Money Millionaire.